Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which has many templates which will be very useful for students, research scholars, especially for researchers. So here there are many important options especially related with research. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that POP AI. So it is a better AI with boosted answers. So you can log in with your mail ID. So after that you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So in this you will be having different options starting from chat with document. So in this you can upload any document and you can chat with your paper as like in many AI tools. So you can chat with your paper. And next one is that create new presentation. So you can create new presentation using AI, and then you can start image chat. So you can upload your image and you can chat with that image also. This is one of the very unique option here. So no AI tool have image chat, so this one will be very helpful. Next one is educational writing. So as far as educational writing is concerned, so you can see, so in academic, human written 100% unique essay, smart research, next turn equations into latex, research proposal, best email character for professionals, keyword ideas by search intent. So these are the important things available in this academic thing. So next one, as far as flowcharts is concerned, so here you can see mind mapping for any type of ideation, knowledge mind map for paragraph. So if you are giving paragraph, it will give a mind map. So this will be useful for us to make a map, that is map while submitting in your journal. So many of the target journals will ask such kind of, that is pictorial representation of your work. So you can use this kind of option. So next one is slides. So here you can see these are the important options: institute introduction template, assignment report template, lesson material template, data analysis report template, business plan template, so PPT composer from scratch. So this is all about this slides. So apart from this you will be having different blog article. So in this blog and article you will be having option called human like writer. So optimized long article, so rewrite your article. So like that, these are the options available, so especially related with writing. Next, as far as SEO, so in this SEO you can see generate SEO title and description, and then for marketing, so you will be having different options related with marketing. Next important thing, summarize and translate. So here you can see best and shortest summary. Next is summarize and highlight most important points of their text, all in one translation. Summarize and extract all facts as emoji bullets. So these are the important option available in this particular POP AI. So let us explore with some options here. So first we start doing with chat with document. So in order to explore this chat with document, I am going to upload a random paper. So here I am going to upload this paper. So here this is a research paper I have uploaded. So here you can send message or ask any question with that research paper. So already it automatically generate the content, that is summarized version of the particular paper. So here you can see it is automatically generating. So the document presents here study on optimizing control parameters for a grid connected photo PV system under Cuckoo search optimization. So like that it has generated summary. And here you can see some of the possible questions can be asked with that particular paper. So here you can see what are the line parameters for the system model, what are the experimental setup parameters, what are the bias value and layered weights for the fitness function model, what are the key parameters used in Cuckoo search algorithm. So this will be a better option where you can analyze your reference paper very better, as we have seen this kind of option in many of the AI tools like chat with PDF and even LMS AI research support. So you can upload your document, you can analyze, you can ask any question using this chatbot. So this chatbot will analyze the particular paper and answer question for you. This will be one of the best template for to make a better literature review. So next, moving on to another options. So here you can see start image chat. So in this, what I am going to do is I am going to upload an image. For example, say I am going to upload this random image. Our image is being uploaded. So after uploaded, I am going to ask explain the image. So this is the image I have uploaded. So here you can see, so in order to get a better view, I will show in desktop. This image is present in desktop, so I can show you a better version of this image. So here you can see this is the image. So vehicle kinetic energy is diverted away from wheels towards motor. Kinetic energy turns motor shaft. Motor acts like generator with crank. Kinetic energy converted to electrical energy in motor. Electrical energy is routed into battery and stored. So like that, this is all the image is all about. So if you want to chat with that image, so you can upload your image. And you will be getting a detailed explanation for that particular image, or even you can ask any question, and you will be having different options called translate, or you can translate this content into any of the languages given here. So here you can see these are the different languages available, so you can translate in any of the languages. So this is one of the unique template where you can upload your image and get a better content from this POP AI. So no AI tool has incorporated this kind of option. This is a better nail biting unique option, so you can use this POP AI. So apart from this, you can create with AI. So you can create presentation with AI also. So here you can click create new presentation. So here create new presentation, enter your topic. For example, I am going to give grid connected PV system. So like that I am going to give a topic, so and give enter. So here you can see that automatically your presentation will be generated. So here you can see section 1, section 2, next section 3, section 4. So like that your presentation will be generated. So click create presentation to generate slides. So after generating your presentation, so here you will be having an option called click presentation. So if you want it as a PPT, you have to go for subscription option, or else you can use this content for your PPT preparation. So if you want it as a PPT, surely you have to go for subscription option. So apart from this, you will be having educational writing. So this educational writing is very important: essay, resume, interview, and research writing. So in this we have seen that 100% unique essay writing. So here you can give any input prompt. After that, the input prompt will be that is according to the input prompt, the content will be generated. So here you can see a research proposal. This is also an unique option. For example, research proposal. So I am going to ask that EV charging station in, or I can ask standalone EV charging station using PV and wind as source. So this is the research proposal I am going to ask. So here you can see the research proposal started to generate. So in this you can see the introduction, research objectives, research questions, methodology. So these are the different things generated for this research proposal. So like that you can have a better unique content, especially related with academics. So apart from this, you can see that is professional writing. In this professional writing, you can have a human like writer. So if whenever your content is subjected to plagiarism, so you can convert this plagiarized content into a human like content, so using this human like writer. So like that, there are different options. You can rewrite your article, you can paragraph rewriters, keyword generator. So all the important options, especially related with research and academics, will be available in this POP AI. So go on and explore this POP AI. This is one of the best tool. So the unique option in this tool is that you can have a image chat. So this is a very unique option. So here you will be having two models, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 models. You can access GPT 4 model also. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing very simple. So as far as pricing and plans is concerned, so here you can see, so this is rupees 691.5 per month. So and for unlimited, so it is 2746.3 rupees per month. So if you are interested in, you can go for subscription option and use this. These are the different options you can use in this particular subscription plans. So you go on and explore this POP AI. So this POP AI will having a better content when compared with other AI tools. So you can make use, surely you can, this POP AI will be useful for research paper writing. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting using ChatGPT and AI Revolution. So the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. So and also we are going to explore different types of prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts, our research paper preparation. So if you are interested in, you can go on and check our website. So the link of the registration also given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register our online workshop to make your research paper writing simple. See you on our workshop. So as far as this video is concerned, so you can use POP AI. This POP AI will be one of the better tool for research paper writing. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.